Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, children, today is our English class and this is your literacy book. Okay? And today we are going to learn letter N. Okay? Letter N. So, look here, children. This is uppercase N means capital N, and this is lowercase means small n. And children, what is the sound of N? The sound of N is no. The sound of N is no. Okay? And now look at this picture. What is this? This is a nest. Okay? This is a nest. And you can see this nest word starts with letter N. Okay? N. N is for nest. Now next picture is net. What is this? This is net. And net word starts with letter N. Okay? N. Nest. Net. So children, tell me, what is this? This is a napkin. Napkin. And napkin word starts with letter N. Napkin. And what is this? These are nuts. Nuts. N is for nuts. Nuts, napkin. Okay? And what is this? This is a newspaper. Newspaper. And newspaper word starts with letter N. Newspaper. This is number 9. And 9 word start with letter N. This is lowercase means small n. Okay, 9. N is for 9. Okay, children. And now next picture is nightingale. This is a bird and its name is nightingale. What is this, children? This is a needle. Needle used for swing. ये किसके यूज में आती है? सिलाई करने की यूज में आती है. Swing. Needle. Okay? Needle. This is a needle. So children, N is for nest, net, napkin, nuts, 9, nightingale, newspaper and needle. Okay? Now children, take out your literacy book, open page number 89. 89. So here the letter is N. N. And this is small letter N and this is capital letter N. So let's see some words here. Okay? N is for napkin, needle, newspaper, nose, 9, nut, net, nurse. Nurses work with doctors and she give care to people who are sick or injured. आपने नर्सेस को देखा होगा ना हॉस्पिटल में, जो डॉक्टर्स के साथ रहते हैं और वो जो बीमार जो लोग होते हैं, जिनको चोट लगी होती है, उनकी केयर करती हैं, जिसे बोलते हैं नर्स. नाइटिंगेल. नाइटिंगेल इज अ बर्ड. ओके? नाइटिंगेल. Okay, so children, now let's see how to write letter N. So children, on page number 90, you have to color the small n and capital N and trace the small n and capital N. Now I am going to tell you how to write small n. So first of all, we will make a standing line from first blue line. Look at here. First blue line. So we have to make a standing line. Okay? Then Then go up and make a curved line down, stop on second blue line. Okay, one more time. First we will make a standing line from first blue line. First blue line से पहले हम standing line बनाएंगे second blue line तक, up to down and stop on the second blue line. Then go up, फिर से ऊपर आएंगे and then make a curved line down, stop on second blue line. यहाँ पर आके हम second blue line पर stop हो जाएंगे. Okay, so you have to write small n like this. Now I am going to tell you how to write capital N, means uppercase. So first start at the top, red line, okay, and make a standing line and stop on second blue line like this. Then go back to the top and make a slanting line and stop on second blue line, and now make one more line back up to the top. अब यहीं से हम ऊपर रेड लाइन तक जाएंगे. So this is capital N. One more time. Okay, फिर से बनाएंगे. Start at the top, red line, and make a standing line. Now then go back to the top and make a slanting line like this. Okay, and now make a one more line back up to the top. यहीं से फिर ऊपर चले जाएंगे. So this way you have to make small n and capital N. Okay children, and this way you have to write capital N and small n in your English notebook. Okay children, again I will tell you. Start at the top and make a standing line, and then go back to the top and make a slanting line. Okay, now make one more line back up to the top. Okay, like this. Now in small, first you have to make a standing line from first blue line and up to down, stop on second line, then make a curve line down and stop on the second blue line. फिर आपको blue line तक stop करना है. आपको two blue lines के बीच में ही small n बनाना है. Okay children, so this is your homework. You have to write capital N and small n in your English notebook and do page number 90. Okay children, so bye bye and take care. Have a nice day.